Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best Halloween face mask available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 4 we have a MEMAX disposable face masks. Its outer colored layer is a water blocking layer which can block splashing liquid. Its middle layer is a filtering layer which can effectively block unwanted particles. Its inner layer is a water-absorbing layer which can absorb the moisture from the breath of the wearer, avoid the filtering layer from getting wet. At number 3 we have Tinker's disposable face masks. It is made of elastic extra soft ear loops, eliminating the pressure to your ears, that making it soft, comfortable and very effortless breathable to wear. At number 2 we have Hi Young disposable face masks. This A Young Scary Clown mask has an excellent design and the pattern looks very three-dimensional. This reusable scary mask is suitable for home office, school, outdoor traveling, etc. The Scary Halloween Masks adopts high-quality material, making it soft and comfortable to your face. At number 1 we have Wettest disposable face masks. It has polyester material, comfortable, soft, has the advantage of sweating and excellent breathing ability with 2 filters. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best Halloween face mask for your need.